Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys is another unboxing.
Wow.
So help me unbox for this one guys. This is the TNW DX30 LED fill light, and guys, this is already my third TNW products.
Wow!
I'm not really a lighting expert guys ha, but nakabasa ko sa iyang mga reviews. Okay ra siya, and bago ni siya nga product from TNW. So na-curious jud ko guys, and since ganahan sad ko mag-upgrade sa ako ang lightings kay ikaduha pa man ni nako nga lightings.
Woo!
So mao na nga ni purchase ko ani nga product. So hopefully this will level up my video lightings para mas gwapo or gwapa. Gwapo o gwapa?
Huh?
Agay! Gwapo, gwapa. Itaw guys, gwapa na lang. Murag ako ba? Para po mo gwapa atong content guys, di ba? So tara, let's unbox and see if it is worth the hype. Let's go! So guys, humana na ko ga-symbol ang LED light. So atong i-try if sulit ba siya guys. So kani mao ni ang kuan, ang old nako nga lightings. So ato i-try ang TNW LED light. Okay? So ato ni off guys. Akong daan, akong i-off. Okay. So wala na nay lightings guys ha. And mao ni ato ang TNW nga na symbol guys. O diba? Cute kayo siya guys, kay puti ang iyang color.
Wow.
Pero naapoy black ani. So ato i-try ha. I'm gonna on it. Wow! So muna siya pinakaubos. And akong i-adjust guys to the highest. See?
Wow!
Ma-adjust ang iyahang color guys. Or iyahang lights. Oh. So, muna na siya yung pinaka-maximum which is 7,000. And this one, ang iyahang LED na white ra ang iyahang color. So, we lower it down. So, na siya sa 46, 45. See? So, hinay gid siya, guys. Oh, nanata sa 20.
Wow!
And that's it for today's unboxing. So far, I'm really impressed with the TNW DX30 LED fill light. I love the adjustable color temperature from 2,800K to 7,000K. The shadow-free lighting, LED display, and the memory mode kay dili na kinahanglan mag-reset guys every time i-on nimo. Plus, USB powered pa. So, super convenient.
Wow!
If you're into vlogging, TikTok just like me, or love to do live streaming, makeup, or product photography, I think this is worth checking out. Pero syempre, I will share my long-term experience after using it more.
Yahoo!
Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more unboxing, reviews, food, travel, and lifestyle vlogs. Stay safe and see you in my next vlog. Bye!